welcome to my channel. Yes, today I'm going to do for you taste test. Yay. Okay, anyway, today's taste test is going to be something to do with a store in our Singapore, which is in my country. It's called the ABC store, which is all kind of countries, Asian snacks are available. So we just went there and take some snacks, bought some snacks from there, and we purchased some goodies for the taste test. So if you want to know what's in the bag and what we're going to try, well then you have to keep watching, my dear. Mwah. Okay, so anyway, first I can see this so light strawberry creamy cupcakes, so soft, so delicious. That's what it says. Anyway, so
product of Vietnam.
oh, it's from Vietnam. Okay, they have this kind of small little thing. Oh, so cute, right? Isn't it so cute? Okay, one for you.
So cute packaging.
Yeah, one for me. So let's see. Oh, it smells so nice.
It smells like a usual cake.
Yeah. Smell like a
Nothing
cupcake.
different.
Not like cake.
Where's the strawberry?
Yeah.
I can't.
Like so little. You can see.
No, mine does not even have a strawberry.
Like serious?
Maybe I bite so little.
Yeah, little. Maybe. You get the strawberry, it's like, nice. But
It's not really my
very-
type.
but okay. Okay, so anyway, in this taste test, if we like it, we will give a thumbs up. If we don't like it, we give a thumbs down. And it's okay. This will be the neutral side here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So for that, I will give it okay, it's okay. I feel it's nice. So thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Really? Like you don't like?
No, it's
Oh
not my
my God,
type.
like
It's like so not like usual cake.
really?
Yeah.
But I like
Typical.
it. I'm not too sure what is even this is. I think so. All is written in Chinese, except we're just going to try it out. So yeah. Okay, take one.
It's so cute.
Yeah. It looks like this tar thing like that. You
It's
know?
like an ash brown.
Yeah. Yeah.
One.
I like it.
Yeah, I still like it.
I like it. Very nice. Thumbs up. It's like prawn.
I don't know, but it's so nice.
This prawn. I don't know, but it's so nice. It's like the caramel prawn like that, you know?
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah.
Thumbs up.
But thumbs up. Very nice. Okay, next. I'm gonna pick one. Okay, this is the choco premium chocolate waffle roll. It's all real. It's a product of Indonesia. Okay. Let's try this one now. They have like this. It's so nice. It's so convenient. You just need to pick one and eat it, you know?
And you no need to,
Waste.
worry about
Yeah. Keeping it
yeah.
and storing it is like not nice, right? I like
very thick.
oh, it smells so like a chocolate. It's like you see the chocolate inside. Okay, one, two, three. Look at that.
But it's not that nice.
The chocolate is not very that tasty though.
It does
Not those kind of luxury chocolate taste. You have that, you know, this local chocolate taste. Not a very big fan. And I don't like it. Thumbs down.
thumbs down.
Oh, this snack we have tried before in our young times. It's very famous in Singapore. But this is actually not from Singapore, right?
Smell is so strong.
Ugh.
Oh no, it's product of China.
Yeah, it's why I told you. In Singapore, cannot be. Okay, let's try one.
This is how it looks like.
Like a coin shape,
Yeah.
like a brown, but this is the packaging. You just take one. Okay.
It's nice, sugary. It's most likely for kids. They will
Yeah.
love this.
I don't like it.
But
No.
yeah,
That's it.
just
Maybe I will just put neutral.
it's
I like-
nice. Yeah.
Okay, this is the meow meow corn flavor rings. Looks like this. You know, it smells so nice.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
corn, you know.
Yeah. Wow! Wow!
Oh,
Oh my god, it's so nice.
fucking nice.
It just melts in my mouth.
Yeah.
I'll just keep eating this forever.
Simply, it's so damn nice. It's like got the corn.
Sweet and salty.
Uh,
right? Yeah.
It's sweet, but not so sweet. It's a little salt, but not so salty. Like balancing. And
I
so
hope
good.
y'all can try this too.
Yeah.
I mean, like, wow,
it looks like that.
that's so nice.
You try it. Thumbs up for you.
Yeah, thumbs up, obviously.
Okay, next. Okay, this is a very good thing. We bought this whole thing for just $1.05. Can you imagine? Can you get it for $1.05? Like, seriously, it's so cheap. Yeah, it has 2 inside, so yeah, don't need to read, right? Like,
It also looks like the huge one just we tried.
yeah, it looks like the huge one, you see? But it's a little bigger.
This is a corn snack. is
No, it's not corn. It's chicken.
it? It's a chicken.
It's chicken flavor.
Chicken
It's
flavor.
that's what it says. This ayam. What? From what country it's coming?
I think it's from Malaysia.
Yeah, it's from Malaysia. Try. Totally the opposite of the one we tried, the smaller one. Thumbs up, like, bleh.
It looks like some expired
Yeah,
product.
yeah.
Oh my god. So
You know,
bad.
you don't have salt in that, you don't have sweet in it, you don't have anything in this.
So plain,
Like,
yeah.
it's so plain. It's like,
Eating nothing, yeah.
and I can taste the manufactured. I don't know what to say. I
The
really hate
plastic
it.
smell or what?
Oh yeah. Thumbs down.
Yeah, thumbs down.
So bad. Yeah. Okay, next. Go with this crab thing. Crab? Is it crab? Oh, fish net.
It's a fish net.
It's like this thing here. This also. So I'm just going to put all the three inside my mouth. And it smells so fishy. So be aware of that, guys. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't eat like that. I don't know. Can you feel the hot and spicy?
Maybe when you eat more, you can feel it. As usual, as you
Yeah,
taste.
it's like the usual one. Okay, now I can feel a little bit spicy sensation. Yeah. Okay.
Usual for me, thumbs up.
Yeah, it's thumbs up, but for the
Hot and spicy is not there.
so neutral
For me, it's still spicy.
because I want a little bit more spicy since I'm Indian. This is very famous in Singapore, and I'm not too sure about other countries. This is the wasabi flavor. If you guys know what is wasabi, it's a very spicy thing that not to say spicy, it's like if you put in your mouth, it will shoot your head, you know, something like that, kind of spicy. So most probably I don't like wasabi.
I hate wasabi though.
Yeah, let's take one. Looks like this, like a seaweed, long seaweed. Yeah, I think
It's not
the
taste,
wasabi.
yeah. I mean, I
Then
can smell.
eat.
Whoa! wasabi taste is so unpleasant.
Yeah. Oh.
It's so unpleasant.
Oh.
Sucks.
It's nice. Right. The wasabi is like popping here and there. No? Pop, 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 pop. Like that. Ah. So unpleasant.
Thumbs down.
I'm like neutral. I like the sweet, but I don't like the wasabi. Bleh. Okay. From the Philippines. Okay. Let's give it a try.
How am I supposed to open it?
Okay. Oh, they have like this. It's a packet of bars like that.
You can share one.
Is it?
Yeah, I wouldn't eat really.
Okay. Let's try one thing. Oh, it looks like this crispy thing like that, you know? The
Crispy rice
yeah,
cereal.
cereals like that. And let's see the opening of it. Oh, it's so caramel thing. See? One for you. Not so nice.
It's really.
And you try already. Oh my god. Mmm! So nice! How about you?
Wow.
So nice!
The taste is melting in my mouth.
No! Hang on. But so nice. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay. That's the end of the foods. Now, the last thing to taste is the drinks. Our country, this is very new. And I've never tried this kind of drinks before over here. I want to try the watermelon. And you will be the group, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Let's open. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Maybe we
Blech.
just now drink the one.
The watermelon taste sucks. So bad. What about yours?
Okay, yeah.
You try mine. You'll regret it.
Actually, it's not bad. Snapple tastes like this, I guess.
I don't know, but I don't like.
No,
Both have the
it's those
real.
added with water.
Yeah.
taste that.
Yeah, it's like that.
Not pure.
Pure. It's like
This is not obviously not the original Snapple.
thumbs down. I don't like the drinks at all.
For me, it's actually not thumbs down. Okay.
You come and keep it and drink it both. Yeah. Here you go. Okay, so we have come to the end of the taste test of our Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give a thumbs up if you like this video also, and do comment down below that if you have anything to say, or you all want any requested videos, or you all want to see any videos, anything like this or something like this in future and stuff like that. Okay, so thank you so much once again. Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Mwah.